Assalamu alaikum, amazing viewers. How are you? Today, basically, we are going to do another past paper question. Okay, first read the question. In this question, A is the point 2 and 3, and B is the point 3 comma minus 5. Find AB. Okay, means you have to find out what AB. For AB, okay, you have to find out what AB. A to B. Okay, for AB, you have to OA minus OB. Okay, OA minus OB, but here coordinate is given to you, so it means you have to convert the coordinate of A in a position vector and B as position vector as well. 3 and minus 5. Now write the values here. 2, 3, sorry, 3 and 5. 3 and minus 5, 2 and 3. AB. So 3 minus 2 minus 5 and minus 3. Okay, it will give you 1 and minus 8. So the answer for AB is basically what? 1 and minus 8. Okay. Now in next question, they're saying okay, you have to give in BC. Okay, BC is given to you. You have to find out the C coordinate. But when we are solving or finding the coordinate in vector, you have to assume that coordinate is a position vector. Okay, so you have to find out the value of C. Okay, so it means it will become like X and Y. So B and C is obtained when you subtract OC minus OB, but in the part number A, OB is given to you, that is 3 and minus 5. Okay, and OC you have to find, that is X and Y. You have to already convert this into this vector form, and then the value of B and C vector is given to you, that is minus 4 and 3. You have to just bring this entire bracket towards to cross equal to sign, and then it will become positive. Minus 4 and 3 plus 3 and minus 5. Okay, minus 4 plus 3 and 3 plus minus 5. Okay, so minus 4 and 3, it will give you minus 1. Okay, 3 plus minus 5, it will give you minus 2. The answer is minus 1. OC is minus 1 and minus 2, and when you have to write it in coordinate form, so it will become minus 1 and minus 2. So just write here minus 1 and minus 2. So it will give you 1 marks. Okay. Now in the question, you have to find out the value of this n when the magnitude is given to you, that is 74. Okay, this is small n. So first, the magnitude of AD is given to you. Okay, so this magnitude is given to you AD, but we don't know actual what is the vector AD is. So first we have to find out the vector AD, then we have to use the formula of the magnitude, then we are able to figure out the value of n. Okay, so AD basically is obtained when you minus, okay, OD minus OA. You know the value of OD is this. OD is basically minus 3 and n. And OA that is given to you in part number 1, okay, this value, just I'm copying this value, okay, and pasting here. Okay, just OA is basically equals to 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Now replace OD with minus 3 and n, and OA as 2 and 3 equals to AD. Now minus 3 and minus 2, it will give you minus 5, and minus 3 it is already give you the same, and minus 3. So the value of AD, okay, the value of AD is minus 5 into n minus 3. Okay, so this is the value of AD. Now you have to write down the formula of magnitude, that is equals to under root x square plus y square. Okay, you know the value of AD is given to you, that is 74 under root. Okay, and the value of x square is minus, and the value of y square is n minus 3, minus 5 square plus n minus 3. Okay, look, here n is in under root, so you have to remove this under root by taking the square root on both, sorry, by taking square on both sides. Okay, you have to take a square on both sides. This square cuts with this one, this square cuts with this root. So 74 is equals to the minus 5 square is 25 because it is present inside the under root, plus n minus 3 whole square. Now shift this 25 towards 74. So 74 minus 25, it will give you n minus 3 whole square, and this is equals to 49. Here you have to use the formula, and the formula is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, this formula means minus, sorry, just you have to use the second identity, that is here, a minus b whole square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. It means your a is n, your b is 3, so your a is n, that is n square minus 2, again your a is n, your b is 3, and your b is 3 again. Okay, so 49 is equals to n square minus 2n, the 2n, and 2n times 3, it will give you 6n plus 3 3 the 9. Okay, so this value uh, comes after taking the, sorry, after using the formula. Okay, so I am moving this value basically little bit up. Okay, 49 is equals to n square minus 6n plus 9. Okay, so move this 49 towards this, so n square minus 6n plus 9 minus 49 equals to 0. So n square minus 6n and minus 40. Okay, so this value comes. Now you have to solve this with the help of quadratic equation. Okay, so you know the quadratic equation is minus b square plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Sorry, here only b. Okay, in this a is 1, b is minus 6, and c is minus 40. Okay, now plug in all these value in the formula. Okay, minus 6 plus minus 6 whole square, sorry, minus 4, a is 1, your bc is minus 40, divided by 2 times 1. Okay, okay, if you simplify this, it will give you just x square 6 plus minus under root 196. Okay, it means que you have to write 6 plus 196 upon 2 and 6 minus under root 196 upon 2 because of the quadratic equation. It will give you two answers. Okay, so the answer for part number 1, 6. It will give you 10. The value of x is here is 10, and the other answer is basically minus 4. So these are the two values, 10 and minus 4. So this basically working give you 3 marks. Okay, okay, in part number B, just try read the question, okay, and write it down the values. OPQR is parallelogram, so means OP is Q, OP is this small p, then QR is also P. From this point till this point, OQ is Q, so PR is also Q. Now, okay, K is the midpoint of OQ. K is the midpoint, so 1 upon 2 of what is Q, total of Q. So from O to Q is 1 upon 2Q, and from K to Q is also 1 upon 2Q. Okay, because of the midpoint. Now they are saying, okay, now in this basically they are saying you have to find out the value of KL. Okay, KL is given to you, that is P minus 1 upon 10Q. Okay, this is the value of KL, means K to L na. So they moved from K to O, okay, then O to P, and then P to L. तो आपके पास ये वाली वैल्यू आ जाएगी. ओके, इट मीन्स कि अगर ये लोग K to L गए हैं, so ये K to L कैसे गए होंगे? They move from K to O, and then O to P, and then P to L. K to O, O to P, and P to L. K to O, O to P, and P to L. ओके, ये आपके पास यहाँ पर चीज आ गई है. ठीक है, अब इस तरीके से उन्होंने किया हुआ है और के एल की वैल्यू आपको दे दी है. सो जस्ट आप देखें, फ्रॉम के टू ओ, from K to O we are moving against the direction, so it will become minus 1 upon 2 Q, minus 1 upon 2 Q, ठीक है. OP, from O to P we are moving towards the direction, so with the same direction, ठीक है, जो same direction P का तो plus P आ जाएगा, but we don't know the length of PL, but KL is given to you, so you have to replace this KL with this value, so 1 upon my P minus 1 upon 10 QU. ओके, सो इसको सही से जरा यहाँ पे अरेंज फॉर्म में लिखें, माइनस 1 अपॉन 10 क्यू इज इक्वल्स टू 1 अपॉन 2 क्यू प्लस पी प्लस पी एल, जो कि आपको फाइंड आउट करना है. ओके, क्योंकि पी एल का रेशो आ जाएगा तो फिर एल आर का भी आपके पास आ जाएगा. ठीक है, इन दोनों को यहाँ ले जाएं आप इक्वल्स टू के इस तरफ, सो पी माइनस 1 अपॉन 10 क्यू इक्वल्स टू के इस तरफ 1 अपॉन 2 क्यू प्लस का आ जाएगा माइनस का हो जाएगा. ओके, ये p यहाँ पे प्लस का हो जाएगा, ऑलरेडी माइनस का हो जाएगा ये भी. ठीक है, सो पी एल के पास ये पूरी आ गई, ये p प्लस का है और ये p माइनस का है, तो ऑटोमेटिकली दोनों कट हो जाएंगे. तो माइनस 1 अपॉन ओके सॉरी, ये यहाँ पे माइनस 1 अपॉन 2 है तो आ जाएगा प्लस का हो जाएगा, सॉरी सॉरी सॉरी, ये इट इज माइनस, तो यहाँ पे ऑटोमेटिकली प्लस का हो जाएगा पी एल. ओके, ठीक है, अब आप क्या करें, इसका और इसका, क्योंकि बीच में पॉजिटिव साइन आ रहा है और डिनोमिनेटर डिफरेंट है, तो हम यहाँ पे क्या ले लेंगे, इसका एलसीएम ले लेंगे, तो एलसीएम 10 आएगा. लुक, अब 10 को 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो 1, ठीक है, 10 के टेबल 10 वन दफा आता है, तो ऊपर भी 1 से मल्टीप्लाई होगा, तो 1 क्यू मल्टीप्लाई 1, तो माइनस 1 क्यू आ जाएगा इधर अगेन, प्लस 2 के टेबल में 10 5 दफा मल्टीप्लाई कराएंगे तो ऊपर भी ये 1 क्यू 5 से मल्टीप्लाई होगा, तो प्लस 5 क्यू हो जाएगा. ओके, तो मैं इसको दोबारा यहाँ पे लिख लेता हूँ, माइनस क्यू प्लस 5 क्यू अपॉन 10 पी एल. ओके, इनको सॉल्व करें, इट विल गिव यू प्लस 4 क्यू अपॉन 10. ये 4 एंड 10 कट हो सकता है आपस में 2 के टेबल से, बिकॉज दे आर कमिंग इन द सेम टेबल, तो 2 5 जा एंड 2 2 जा, तो इट विल गिव यू 2 अपॉन 5 क्यू इक्वल्स टू पी एल. अब सुनते रहिएगा इधर, फ्रॉम पी टू एल इज 2 अपॉन 5 क्यू, तो एल टू आर क्या होगा, लुक आपके पास रेशो 2 है, किसका, पी एल का, और टोटल रेशियो जो था वो क्या था आपके पास, डिवाइड किससे होता है, टोटल से था 5 है, सो आप 2 में से 5 माइनस कराएंगे तो आपके पास 3 आ जाएगा, सो दिस इज 3. ओके, सो द एल आर फ्रॉम एल टू आर इज 3, तो आप जस्ट यहाँ पे लिखेंगे 2:3 इज द आंसर फॉर पी टू एल एंड एल टू आर. ठीक है, तो ये क्वेश्चन हमने यहाँ पे इसको सॉल्व कर लिया है. ओके, आज भी हम एक ही क्वेश्चन करेंगे सॉल्व. if you have any question related to this question or any other question, ठीक है, you can ask for it, just mention me और कमेंट करें इसको. ठीक है, यूट्यूब के कमेंट सेक्शन में, तो फिर मैं आपको उसका रिप्लाई दे दूंगा जो भी है, और कोई भी पार्ट समझ नहीं आया तो आप वो मुझसे पूछ सकते हैं इसके अंदर, एंड इसके अलावा कोई भी क्वेश्चन आपके पास हो तो आप मुझसे उसके रिलेटेड भी पूछ सकते हैं, सो मैं आपको उसके लिए गाइड कर दूंगा. तो इफ़ यू लाइक दिस वीडियो, so don't forget to share it, like it and subscribe it as well. Okay, Allah Hafiz, take care.